All right. Hey guys, how y'all doing today? I hope everybody's having a great day, and I hope everybody is getting enough of everything they need in life. So what's going on with me right now? I just got back from my trip to New Mexico, which y'all saw a video of that before. And while I was gone, a few things happened to the Xcamper. There was a little bit of damage to some of the weaker points in the hinges, so I've decided I'm going to reinforce a lot of it. And since I lost all of my footage I had of the build process, I'm just going to replace this with a removal and reinstallment video, which is going to take a while. I've got a lot going on in my life right now. My life is changing drastically. But I will be redoing some of this. The sleeping platform is the main issue here. I had the piano hinges holding it together at the seating and points. This one at the top completely failed, so I'm going to reinforce that, rebuild probably the entire sleeping platform, see if there's any of the lumber in there I can reuse now. If not, I'll definitely reuse it later. The chuck wagon is perfect. It is exactly what I wanted, exactly what I needed. Maybe one or two things I might change, but I'm not sure. I'm going to think about that. Like maybe put a right along through here a lip, keep things from falling off. Things would fall off, roll off if I wasn't perfectly level. Yeah, today I'm going to show y'all how to take all of this out, the chuck wagon. And I know a lot of y'all call this your chuck box, but out here in West Texas, when you do cowboy work, it's a chuck wagon. So since I occasionally get to do cowboy work, I decided to call it my chuck wagon. But that's just me. That's how I do. So y'all get ready for this, and this video is probably going to be done. It's probably not going to be put out for a couple of months. I've got a lot going on, so I will slowly get this added in. Today I'm going to take it out. Over time, as I have a chance in between other projects and everything I've got going, I will show the rebuild on the sleeping platform, and we'll go from there with the reinstall, and that should replace the original build video, I hope. So stay tuned and let's get this going. All right, so first thing I did this morning was empty everything, my stove and coffee making stuff, all my leftover food stuff. So I completely emptied this out, and that was the first step. Now next step, we've got to unhook from the sleeping platform and the basic platform here, and my screw gun is up here. Now I unhook it from the mudroom seat. You know, the funny thing is I call it my mudroom seat, but never really used it to get in and out. I have to come up with another name because I'm using it more as a nightstand and a place to keep the cooler and stuff while in transit. Alright, so what that did was allow me to get to the sides here. I'm wondering, you know, however many times I have to take these off and put them back on, if there's a better way to strengthen this for multiple uses, right? You know, if I'm just real careful each time installing it, it shouldn't tear up that wood too much. I may have to figure out some sort of little metal sleeve to put in and out so those will bolt to it, screw to it better. But all part of the learning process, yeah. So unhook the latches that are unnecessary. I'll probably just remove those permanently anyways and go from there. Need to find a little baggie for those to keep those in. Alright, I'm sure I have something in the house I'll get later. Remind me to buy a couple of covers for those so they don't get too dusty. this was the upper head part of the platform, and the little bitty screws in the thin plywood just didn't hold up, and the piano hinge bent every time I'd set it up and put it down. So that's what the redesign is really all about right there. Excuse me, rebuild, not redesign. All right, hey freaks, how's everybody doing? So I know this is kind of an abrupt way to end this video, but I never made an outro for the beginning of this process, so this is the outro for that. So what you just saw was most of the uninstall and explaining of the repair, and the next video that I'll be putting out is going to be the actual repair and reinstall of the camper in the X. But so hope you enjoyed this this video just now, and if you did, you liked it, give me that thumbs up and that subscribe, and let's see if we can keep this going. And everyone, remember, live your life with respect, peace, and love.